10 cats hilariously crashed nativity scenes. It's a well-known quirk of cats. They love to squeeze themselves into the middle of things. Whether it's a box, a jar that's way too small, or simply just sitting on your computer keyboard while you are trying to get your work done. If there's an awkward space to be occupied, a cat will soon come along and occupy it. Can you imagine then the attraction of the nativity scene for our feline friends? All those tiny people to trample over, the manger to lie in, a little straw to sit on, and most importantly, being the center of attention. It's pussy paradise. Check out the stubbornly, proudly awkward kitties in all their glory. The cat sits in the nativity scene outside the church. And then the little baby Jesus was carried off by the glorySource. The end. Our cat Loki invaded next door's nativity scene. His face was hilarious. The Jesus in our crib is a bit fat, furry and pointy-eared, but undeniably cute. At my friend's church, the church cat has evicted the baby Jesus from the manger. A little angel. The catnap. No room for baby Jesus. Our cat Porter has joined the nativity scene. And the angel said unto them, Behold, the cat stuffed itself into the manger.